Let's create homemade postcards and bookmarks. First, use a ruler to mark out a sturdy piece of paper into 4 postcard-sized sections. Then cut your paper along the lines you created. We love using this little punch to help cut the perfect rounded corners. You can find it at the link below. Use a pencil to draw a design on one side of your postcard. You can draw anything you like. Now comes the fun part. It's time to color your design to really make it pop. Have fun experimenting with markers, crayons, or colored pencils. To make your postcard sturdier, glue another postcard-sized piece of paper to the back of your picture. Finally, add traditional postcard markings to the back of your postcard. Don't forget to leave a space for an address and a stamp. You can get inspired by looking at old postcards and stamps. Use the same basic steps to make bookmarks too. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.